I sure like cute girls with big swords.
I'd like Katie to handle mine.
Hey guys, it looks like you're having a lot of fun. Do you mind if I join in as well? I brought my own Monster Energy drink.
Get out, you cuck! Let's go! What could be in this box?
So here's the thing.
What is this one? Is it the clear file?
Yep.
I think it is, yeah. We'll unwrap it later, I guess.
Magical Alisa clear file.
The usual AmiAmi card. I think there's a different thing here. I don't know what's written, but maybe it's for like the holidays because I got it late.
Nah, it's just the usual text.
I guess they changed the color. Maybe they put some red or whatever. Okay.
Oh, this is wrapping.
Yeah, like it's a gigantic box for like
yeah,
two things.
but at least it protects well.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's because of the wall scroll. I'm not sure.
No, the wall scroll fits pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's probably mostly for that.
Yeah, I think so too.
That's the wall scroll.
We'll show it later. And I guess the meat and potatoes of the box because of the price.
Yeah.
The Akeno Daki. Woo! I actually have no idea what's on the second, like on the other side because...
I sure do, man.
You do?
Yep, I sure do.
I don't.
Since I look at the illustration behind it.
Okay. And I think there's nothing left.
Nothing left.
Okay, let's toss the box.
So let's go look at this beast.
Time to unwrap.
Thick.
A little bit of thickness. Ja!
Cha-cha-da-cha-da!
Cha-cha-da-cha-da.
Sure is colorful.
Oh, that's nice. I like it.
Now for the other side.
Is it safe?
I can tell you already.
This video is not for children. You hear that, Coppa?
Yeah, totally not safe.
Ooh, wow. Okay. I think we're gonna have to do some censorship. I think this is NSFW.
Totally.
But yeah, so you get the idea. Seeing it this way. So let's mount it on the pillow. Yeah, let's do that. So let's compare the two. This one is an official. This one is a custom print on anime Dakimakura pillow.
.com.
Yeah, you probably seen recently. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube like shilling for this company, so I was like, yeah, I might as well try it out. And so an artist did a drawing for me, and this is the result. And this one is just an official. It is an official merch from High School DxD. So that's two differences already. Plus, also. Both are supposed to be two-way tri-cut, apparently it's pronounced. Two-way tri-cut. Yeah. So both are supposed to be two-way tri-cut, but they feel very different.
It's supposed to be, but it's they are considered two-way tri-cuts. But I think the final mix of the
fabric
counts. Maybe this one is. I think this one is called like a cool two-way tri-cut.
Oh, okay.
And this one, I don't know, it's just called simply two-way tri-cut.
Yeah.
But, you know, sorry if I ruin you, Haruhime, but this one is more elastic.
Yeah.
And it's less thick, it's easier, it's pinched easier than the other.
It's already
you can pinch them as easy. Both are easy to pinch, but you know, this one is a bit thicker.
The fabric is more stronger. I guess it's a bit stronger. It feels that way anyway to me, but I'm not sure.
I won't say stronger, but let's say more filled.
Okay, yeah. Filled. Yeah. She's more filled, if you know what I mean. But yeah, also just keep in mind both basically costed me the same price. So this one was expensive too. Like a custom print is not cheap. It's not cheap.
Because basically the prices are around 12,000 yen. Yeah. An official one, and
this one was the same price actually, in terms of if you convert it. I mean, because I paid 107 euros for this one, which is exactly pretty much 12.
You pay for your custom. You don't really pay cheaper.
Yeah. So that's something to keep in mind for someone. I guess this could be used as a guide for someone that is on the fence about printing or buying an official one. So you get to see the difference between the two, I suppose.
And in comparison with the...
Now the print, let's compare the print.
With, let's say, not really the design, but the way of the drawing can be seen, let's say. Actually, the drawing line with Haruhime are less black than the official one.
Yeah.
You can really see it's custom made, you know. Not saying that it's bad, but the colors in the official one looks more vivid. In terms of skin, in terms of black lining, the black outlining of the character. It looks thinner compared to Haruhime, but it looks more black.
Yeah, it's a bit more striking when it comes to the contrast, I suppose. Also.
And let's say that though the official one is pretty much faithful to the anime character design. And you can really see that some of the hair lining here. You know, compared to here where it's more. It's there, but you know the black is still the same as used as
it's not as present.
The overall outlining compared to here. But it's still well made. Let's say it's still well made. Both are well made. In my opinion.
I agree. Also, I know like some people think the design is controversial for the new High School DxD anime. I mean, it's not new, but like the last one that was airing in 2019. Because, they chose the character design from the light novel as opposed to the regular anime before. And people actually preferred the original anime design as opposed to the light novel. But I do enjoy this one personally, so I really do not mind. I like both. So, that's something I had to take into consideration, since it's really not the same look as the eyes and stuff here. Like in the anime before, it used to be very sharp, Like it looked very shonen, basically, very sharp shonen-like, and now it's more soft looking compared
Yeah,
to
it's
before.
more. She's the more welcoming Onesan.
Yeah.
She has those eyes of a welcoming mama.
Yeah, she definitely is that type of character, actually.
You definitely see that with her eyes.
Yeah. But anyway, I think that will do it for the review section, the review corner of Kevin's, Kevin's review corner.
Yeah.
Now
I don't show much of my collection, but I do have.
he does have a nice collection. It's just he doesn't show videos of it.
Yeah.
Maybe you should someday.
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
One day.
Yeah. If you want to do it, that'd be great. But anyway, I guess let's get to the following small things. To the Falcom corner.
So time for the other Falcom
Yeah.
small merch.
You know me, you know what I what I thought. Boom. I always take an opportunity to get some clear files. And the back, it's basically just the Send4 logo with the pink magical Alisa thing. But yeah, you know what it is. Then
Poster girl.
Poster girl, yeah.
Twice.
Yeah, that's how it should be. Yep. And this is the acrylic stand.
The wedding version.
Yeah, wedding version. So
Risha, where?
yeah, we need
Where
Risha.
Falcom?
She's gonna be back.
Yeah.
Thankfully in the next one. Yeah. Let's put let's put this one together, I guess. Oh, it's actually not as small as I thought it was going to be.
Ooh.
So
Too strong.
so yeah. Epic unboxing with Cutie. Yeah.
I guess it's like this.
Yeah, it's actually
No.
yeah.
It's the other side, I think.
I don't see very well, so
I should try the other side afterwards.
yeah, maybe. Okay, nice. And the other side is white.
White.
So of course, because acrylic stand.
Yeah. I think it's decent like this.
Yeah, it does seem that
I
way.
think it can go both ways.
Yep. Okay, let's find a place for this and put the last thing.
Let's find a place for this.
Yeah, sounds about right. Okay,
Let's,
I guess we can remove it from the
Yeah,
shrink wrap, whatever it's called.
One good thing about Send4 is her.
Yeah.
Send4 really made me like her.
Yeah, same for me actually. That's a good thing, because
She gets good development in my opinion.
they mostly ruined a lot of characters, but they did improve some of it.
Like this.
That's better. That's better. Yeah.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot her. No, not Alcina because she wasn't really.
She's okay, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't mind her. I think she's okay. But
We shit on Send4, but we still enjoyed it.
of course we do.
we shit on it, but we're not gonna shit on it for other people. We're just shitting on it for us.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, you know, it's like the more you love something, the more you're critical, maybe. You know what I mean? Like it's like you really love a band or music band or whatever, and you tend to be more, you know, like if something goes wrong or they do something, I don't know, that you don't like particularly, it's like something you take at heart, maybe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So yeah. Anyway, let's.
Kind of weird. It's kind of the opposite mindset. You know, you like something, you criticize something because you like it so much, you want it to be good.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was trying to say, actually.
Yeah, that's the mindset.
Yep.
But
And,
criticizing critics aren't always a bad thing,
Yeah, I think so
as long
too.
as it's constructive.
Yep. And zoom in on who actually matters. I was just joking. I was zooming in on the tree.
Here.
I mean,
Here it matters. Here.
except Laura.
Here.
Yeah.
Here it matters. Here.
Yeah.
And
Except Emma. I mean.
and him if you want.
Yeah. Yep.
And waifu number two.
Yeah. Crow. Yeah.
This is not turning into a review.
Yeah. Actually, let me compare something real quick, because this looks very similar to this. Is this the same illustration from the light novel? I kind of wonder.
Nah.
No, they're basically the same position, but it's not the same, yeah. Because yes, it does have a light novel, people. And Rin and Alisa are actually canon in this, yeah.
Time for the wolf call.
Yep. There we go, nice. Jaja! Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in.
Oh, look at Lloyd.
Lloyd. Is he a police officer or something?
Yeah.
Nice.
Kiss too.
And there it is. Whee! Finally.
Above the supposedly not really a shrine.
Yeah. It kind of became a shrine by accident, I guess. I was like, I'm just gonna put some Falcom stuff here, and then that's what happened. But yeah, there it is. Mishi sure has changed a lot over the years.
Indeed.